Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the YouTube app updated and signed into your account. Open the short you want to change. Tap the three-dot menu or the audio icon immediately because that exposes the audio track controls. Once visible, inspect the listed tracks and identify the English audio track by name or waveform. Tap the track to reveal options and choose Remove or Mute. This first actionable step detaches the unwanted English track from the short. Now edit the short's details to make the change stick. Choose Edit, then Audio, and remove or swap out the English track. If you prefer silence, add a silent audio file or trim the replacement to cover the same duration. Make sure to save the short after replacing the track. YouTube sometimes reverts if you don't finalize edits. Once done, play the short fully to confirm the new track or silence is present and synchronized with the video. Finish by saving edits and verifying the short across devices. If the English track reappears, export and re-upload the short with the desired audio baked into the file. Make sure to clear app cache or update YouTube before retrying edits, because stale data can show old audio. If problems persist, check account-level restrictions or community strikes that limit editing. And finally, re-upload as a new short with the correct audio permanently embedded to avoid track reassignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.